are full-grown, dependent bundles of joy. That's my Tide. What's yours?
This holiday season, MasterCard is donating up to $2 million to Stand Up to Cancer.
Are you by chance Karen?
One precious cent at a time.
Yes.
Karen, we have heard your deeds standing up to cancer. Just by using MasterCard online to buy a sweater.
And we'll make a donation for every online purchase you make, $10 and over.
Thank you.
Lending your voice to the cause. Priceless.
Nivea Extended Moisture Body Lotion. Extremely dry skin can hold you back. Uncover irresistibly touchable skin. Nivea's 48 hours of moisturizing relief. Extended moisture from Nivea. Nivea, touch and be touched. Philadelphia cream cheese with fresh milk and whipped cream. It makes your holiday recipes everyone's holiday favorites.
Unleash the power of argan oil with new Moroccan Sleek Oil Treatment, only from Garnier Fructis. It absorbs in an instant for unbeatable softness and equal shiny with no oily residue. New Moroccan Sleek Oil Treatment, only from Garnier Fructis.
Do you dare? Dare to make a lasting impression. Color Tattoo Shadow from Maybelline, New York. Our exclusive ink pigments in a cream gel create a rose saturated color with 24-hour staying power. Get ink through Color Tattooed by Eye Studio.
Baxter, what are you doing?
Critics are calling Silver Linings pure gold.
Do you feel that? That's emotional.
It's one of the year's best movies if you stay positive.
Baxter.
The Silver Linings.
Oh my god.
Tonight on TV.
Max, what are you doing?
My voice is very soothing to me. It's like a lullaby.
You met my husband.
I got a job. What the fuck? You think?
Are you stuck?
So what do you guys think? We're shopping at Forever 21.
The Menopause barn was closed.
New season tonight at 10 on TV Land, Channel 106. This year, there's something a little odd